Hello folks, this is the restart of Imran's bowling after a lapse of about 2 years caused by his stress fracture injury. This is World Championship of Cricket we're talking about. It got staged in Victoria, Australia in 1985. All test-playing nations participated in the event. That is why some cricket experts even named it as Mini World Cup. Through the tournament, Imran Khan bowled deliveries which were fast and swinging big. Let's have a look at some of his great deliveries there. Now we see the deliveries in the first match played against India. Pakistan made 183 only. But Imran roared up like a tiger and got 3 scalps at a score of 23. However, drop catches and no support from the other end led to Pakistan losing that match. Imran comes running in to bowl to Shastri, bowls a rising out swinger, and Javed takes a good catch in the slip. Keeps beating Shrikant, and Dalpat could have taken this catch diving forward. Finally, Shrikant on a bouncing out swinger holds out to Mohsin in the slip. Ben Sarkar out first ball, this to a rising out swinger, Mudassar at point for him. Next match is against Australia. Imran bowled okay in this match. However, there was nothing left to be done as Wasim Akram had made irreparable inroads in the Australian batting by taking 5 early wickets. Let's have a look at some deliveries from there. O'Donnell could not handle this fast delivery from Imran. Takes a leg by. Next, Imran bowled Elderman through a in-swinger. The last match is against England. Very crucial, because if England had won this match by a certain run rat, namely 6.55, they would have had a chance to reach the semi-final, leaving behind Pakistan. Imran Khan, running like a panther, comes in very fast and sends a loopy out swinger. Fowler edges it, Dalpat takes it. Next, Imran gets an edge from Gower. Last ball of the over to Lamb, and a not too difficult caught and bowled chance missed by Imran. Imran's 4th over, Gower tries to pull it from nowhere, and Tahir takes a good catch. Final match, Sirkant tries to uppercut a shortish delivery, and Wasim Raja takes a sharp catch at point. Now bowls a rising out swinger, Dalpat drops an easy catch. In the semi-final, which Pakistan won easily, West Indies got bundled out at 159. Imran did not take a wicket and had a figure of 39 runs in 9 overs. This was largely due to several misfieldings against his bowling. By the way, Pakistan lost the final to India, thanks to a meager score. Imran together with Javed Miandad stabilized the innings, and just when they became comfortable, Imran got run out. Moreover, one of their key players, Wasim Akram, did not play the match. Thanks for watching this video. For more interesting videos on cricket, please subscribe our channel.